Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discussing about what are the advantages and disadvantages of moving iron instruments. Okay, here am I nothing but moving iron instruments. Okay, so coming for the advantages, so by using MI instruments, we can measure the both AC power as well as DC power. Okay, coming for the second one is cheap and robust construction. When compared to PMMC instruments used as both iron plates as well as total core system which is very cheap as well as which contains very robust construction when as well as high operating torque. Okay, because of here we are using iron plates mechanism. With the help of iron plates mechanism to move the pointer from one place to another place, so that's why the consumption of input power which is very more when compared to PMC instruments, because of iron plates are very weight. If the iron plates which is moves from one place to another place consumes very huge amount of power at the input side. Okay, so that's why which contains high operating torque at initially. Okay, as well as these are the reasonable accurate. So when compared to PMMC instruments, the MI instruments are not pure accurately because of here we are by the iron plates not measured exact accurate values. Okay, as well as they can withstand for the overloads. Okay, they can withstand for the overload. Suppose in case of PMMC instruments, in that we are using only pass branch spring as well as permanent magnets. That's why if suppose suddenly increasing of input current, they may be cause to damaging of both pass branch spring as well as core material entire. Okay, that is the major advantage of moving iron instruments. Okay, and also coming for the sixth one, less cost because of here we are using only iron plates. So when compared to PMMC instruments, the plates of the iron which is very less cost. So that's why the total entire mechanism of equipment's cost also very less when compared to PMMC instruments. Okay. So coming for the disadvantages of moving iron instruments, here first one is the scale is not uniform when compared to MC instruments. Okay. So by the weight of iron plates, the scale which is maintained not uniform and also measured does not exact accurate values when compared to MC instruments. Okay, as well as coming for the second one, power consumption also very high. By the weights of iron plates, the input power consumption also very more. Okay, as well as third one is the errors are developed due to the change in the frequency in case of AC system. Okay, so if suppose the input supply is changing, then automatically frequency also changing. So if the frequency also changing, then automatically the pointer does not maintain to the exact accurate value. So that's why there is a chance of error takes place in case of MI instruments. Okay, last one is that they are not sensitive. They are not sensitive. It means the lifetime of the moving iron instruments which is very less when compared to moving coil instruments, because of in this we are using iron plates. So if suppose if either quarterly, either half yearly or annually, maintenance takes place to the both iron plates mechanism. Otherwise, cause to corrosion effect or else some rust will be happening to the iron plates. Resultant, the equipment does not working properly. Okay, so that is the meaning of not sensitive here. Okay, but in case of PMMC instruments, in that only we are using pass branch spring system, so there may be chance to very less corrosion takes place. So that's why in that exact accurate values can be measured. So those are the advantages and disadvantages of PMMC as well as MI instruments. So next class we are coming for the a new topic. Okay, until then keep watching all of you. Thank you and all. Thank you.